Welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so sorry that I didn't have any video posted lately. This item I got before Christmas, but I didn't have time to do it because my mom has passed away, and I have so busy. I was so busy to help my brother and sister to take care of my mom funeral, and after the funeral, I didn't have any strength or any mood to open it. But now I think I need to use it, so I open it so and can share with you before I use it. No further ado, let's start it. This item I got around like beginning of December, before the price had been went up. I have eye on this for a long time, but I didn't for some reason I didn't get it. But after I used the similar one from different brand, and I love it, so that's why I put a plug and order this one online. And I already had it, because when the packet arrives, before when Hermes mail to you, they put outside with the plastic bag, so in case the box will not get damaged. But lately they changed, they don't put in the plastic bag anymore, they just put in the box like this. So I just before to film this video, I just tear the tape, so I don't have to wait time to show it. The box is still the same inside, but usually they have the white box outside, and no, the plastic bag, white plastic bag, and the white box and the orange box. But now they no longer have the plastic box, they just have the brown box like this, and inside still the same. And this is the receipt, and inside this they're now pretty. They have maxi, and that means thank you in French. That's really pretty inside, but now it's different color. And this is the it's just a tag to hold the box with the receipt. And this is the receipt, and come with that and the envelope, like the pocket like this, and they have the envelope, the receipt. When you order online, the receipt, let me show you, it looks like this. And let's open it. The orange box still the same, and on the ribbon is different because I ordered before Christmas, so they have a Merry Christmas on the ribbon. That like a different, like usually ribbon. And also you see the horse on the on the ribbon is different. Like you can see the difference. Like they have what they call Santa, like the cart, but this is the horse, not Santa. And the pine tree, and next to it is the Hermes, and on the other side, in French, Joyeux Noël, and continue Hermes and Merry Christmas. This is the one for Christmas season, holiday season. But as I say, I ordered before Christmas, so but I didn't have time to open it. And here's the orange box, and this is the book for the. And as you see, the title is it called what they call MagSafe card holder. It's like the one you can. Okay, and this is the book, the care booklet in different language and instruction how to use it. And here we go. This is the This is their card holder. Yes, they call wallet, but it's mostly the card holder. And is it a MagSafe? Like inside of this area, there are the magnets, so you can put on the back of your phone. If your phone have this circle, this is, so it will work like this. When you put it on, the magnet will hold tight. The magnet is tight, is strong enough. It's not come up. And in the back, I have Hermes Paris embossed right here. And in the front, this is the horses. I select the horses. I like because you know they have the dog, and they have so many. A really pretty one, but I like the horse because you know Hermes. This um logo is the horse, so I select the horses, and that's it. That's the only pocket they have. Okay, let me show you. And they have the white contrast stitchings is and this one have a curve. And let me show you the measurement of the card holder. Yeah, I call it card holder, but the name is the wallet. Is 2.5 inch for the length is 2.5, and for the height is 3/4 inch. For the centimeter is for the length is 6.5 centimeter, and for the height is 9.5 centimeter. And the thickness, let's see how this on. Okay, the thickness of this is 4.8, around 4. Okay, let's see. Is 4.9. Okay, 4.8 nanometer. Okay, let me show you how many cards can fit in this one. I have 3 gift card here. The same thickness of a credit card. So, and let me put one in. When you put one, is already tight, and you can put 2, I think. Yeah, 2 is enough. Okay, if you put 3 later, the letter will get stretched. And when you put on your phone, and if you always have 3, then it's fine. But if you have put 3 and later the letter gets stretched out, and you don't use any 3 card anymore, you only have 2, the card will, I'm afraid it will fall out. And for now, you have to bend the card like this so to take it out. You can put the maximum, I think maximum is 3 card. Yeah, 3 card, the maximum. You cannot go further than 3. Yeah. And let me show you what I have here. I have this from the speed card holder, like same thing, like the MagSafe. I using this for a long time. I loving it. This is super strong, and I love it because this one have the holder thing, and you can put it out. So let me show you. I have my drive license. I have my drive license. I have my bank card, and I have my insurance card. Insurance card is very thin, so like a paper. And I have $2 bills. Just yeah, my usually every year on the Chinese New Year, and my mom put $2 bill on the red envelope, and with another bill, like $100 bill, and give to us for the good luck. But both of my parents already went home with God. So this year, the Chinese New Year, we will really miss them. But this I have only 3. I only carry these 3. So let me see how it fit in this card holder. And it's kinda really tight, but not bad. But maybe I believe if for a while the leather will stretch out and it will be easy to take it out. But now it's kind of very tight and it's hard to take it out. But maybe for like couple day or couple week, when it's stretch out, it will easy. But you see the leather, they won't show much around the corner. And as I said to you, I have this from the Apple. Oh, where my card? Ooh, hold on. Let me go get the card. The actual I'm sorry, I didn't. I forgot to get him back. I have 2. This is from Apple, and this all leather. Now they don't make any anymore in leather. They have in like a silicone, like vegan leather. They call it vegan leather, and I have both in one in this color, the maroon color, and one in the they call orange, but look like more like brown, and it's the same size as the Apple card holder. You can see it's the same. But the Apple card from Apple, you have the finger, the hole here. You can slide the card out, but the Hermes one doesn't have it. So, but they have the cut here, so you can use your hand, your finger, and take it out like this. It's very easy, not hard. I have 3 cards here, and it's not hard at all. It's tight, but not really hard. But this one is kind of hard to take it out if you have 3 cards, and I have 3 cards here, but it's super hard to take it out. Even I have for a long time, and yeah, it's very hard to take it out. So if you have put 3 cards in here, and like this one, yeah, and you can slide your finger here on the back and take it out. It's easy, a little bit easy than this one. Sometimes if you have a nail, I don't have long nail, but if you have a long nail, will be the issue because you will damage the leather. But if you don't have long nail like me, this will be fine. But this one, I like the Apple. I wish that Hermes did the finger slide like this, so that will be better. But that how it is, the same size and same thickness, and the pocket the same. This in the front is it's not, the weight is the same, but the only thing different is this costs you maybe not over $100. When I got this one, it's like I think 2 years ago, like 79 something. And but now Apple doesn't make anything in leather anymore, but this is in leather. So I love it. I still using it. So that's why after I use this card holder, and I found this one. I love this because this one is very strong and sturdy. I don't have to worry about if I get something stick in here. I just clean it easily. And this you can carry 3 cards, no problem, and you can push it out like this. I like it, this one. And this is the two type of the card, but different brand. And this is the most the closest one I can show you is between Hermes MagSafe wallet and the Apple MagSafe wallet, and this is about the same. And the magnet for the Apple is strong. It's same. Even you shake like this, it will come out. But if you really shake it, like really hard, it will come out. But if it's not, if you put in your pocket or in your wallet, it won't come out. In your bag, it won't come out. And same thing like Hermes one. The magnet is strong. It's not. If you shake very hard, then it will come up. But if you just do like this, and it will not come out. And that's it for today. And I hope this oh, and this one is retail for $690 plus tax, and depend on where you live, the tax will be different. But now the price have been went up, because usually I believe the first or the second week of January, Hermes had the price increased, but now the price have been increased already. But this one I got before the price had went up. So yeah, I'm happy for that. And that's all for today. I thank you so much for your support. I'm sorry that I didn't have any video posted. Yeah, because my family have so many things going on. My father had passed away not even 2 years, and now my mom, she went home reunite with him, and both of them now in heaven now, and live three of us here. I have two siblings, one sister and one brother, and both of them live in different states. They live with close to my parents, but I'm the only one here. So it's very tough for me to go through this one, but I hope, because for last 2 years, I start slowing get back to my normal life, and my mom started getting sick, and now she went home with God, and it hit me really hard. So I don't know. Thank you so much for your support. It's mean too much. It's really mean too much to me, and thank you. And I hope I can see you in my next video. Bye bye, and I see you again.